What's up, guys? This is Higgins with Legal Automations. I'm on a quest to try out every filament in every color, and on today's episode we are taking a deep dive into SUNLU PLA Transparent. So this is a clear filament, obviously. I do like SUNLU, comes in this nice bag with the ease of the little tabs there, makes it a little bit easier to open. They do use reusable and refillable spools, so that is good to see, especially if you're just starting out and want to save a little bit of money by buying refills. Anyway, this is filament, and at Legal Automations we always dry our filament, so I'm going to go ahead and stick that in the filament dryer. Alright, so if you're new here, we always start out by printing a generic benchy in the generic filament settings, in this case PLA in Bamboo Studio. So we're going to get this sliced up. It should take just shy of an hour. Go and get that done along with all the other test prints. And here they are. So, one of the things that I do talk about, generic one, the dimensional cube temp tower. This is the retraction test, max volumetric speed test. Then we have the overhang test, and then we get those things out and reprint that generic benchy. So we're going to go ahead and start this one. A little bit of stringing, nothing super major. We're going to be able to get that rectified. This one had some trouble, the filament itself showing up with the lettering, so just be aware of that on the benchy itself. But overall, it's pretty good and everything. So next up, we had the dimensional cube. This one was 40 by 40 by 40. There was a little bit of some stuff there on the surface on the first layer there, but overall I'd say pretty good. Next up, we had the temperature tower. For this one, the temperature tower, best one looks to be about 200 degrees. This one had the fewest spikes, as well as fewest globs on the spike and very little stringing. Next up, we had the retraction test. And this one, while it did have that little artifact there, if you can see, that you can see there, a little bit of stringing, but nothing super major. The max volumetric speed test, this one performed absolutely wonderful. It was able to print 20 millimeters per second cubed, as you can see, without any sort of warp or deformation or any sort of splitting or anything like that. So that's always good to see. Next up, the overhang test. Overhang test performed absolutely wonderfully. You do lose a little bit of detail as you get into the higher degrees, but overall I'd say pretty good. Nothing super major that raises any concern there. Anyway, we got those filament settings dialed in, which are the ones I changed during the description down below. And overall, I'd say this one came out pretty good. Still a little bit of issues with just some of the, showing up on camera with the lettering, but overall pretty good. So at time of filming, you can pick this up over at Amazon for less than $19. Again, link is in the description down below. I'd say it's pretty good. No real, like I said, no major issues there. And $19 for clear PLA. I haven't seen another clear PLA yet, but I'll be looking for it going forward. Overall, I'd say pretty good. If you need that clear PLA, you're okay with the slightly weaker version of some filament, and if it works out for you, it works out. I like SUNLU, so it's something I can recommend. Anyway, that's been SUNLU's PLA that's transparent. If you like this type of content, be sure to like, comment, subscribe. I'm a relatively new YouTube channel, and it helps the channel out a lot. Anyway, this has been Higgins with Legal Automations. Be kind to each other, print all the stuff, and I hope to see you back here for the next full review. Thanks.